If you want to customize volume slider on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to the Galaxy Store. There we go. Now in here, we're going to use the search option in the upper right corner. And then in here, we need to search for Sound Assistant app. There we go. This is the app that we are looking for. So you can use the arrow on the right side in order to download it, or you can just tap over here on the app and use the install button at the bottom of the screen. And let's wait for the app to be installed. Once it is installed, you want to open it. We need to grant some permissions, so be sure to do that. There we go. Now here we have two options. We can tap on Customize Volume Panel, and you can turn this option on quite easily. You can also go to Custom in order to, for example, change the panel. For example, you can move it up and down. We can include a couple of additional options. We can also go to Expanded Panel in order to decide what should be available in there. Also, what we can do in addition to that, let me actually disable the button. There we go. What we can also do is we can go to the Make Your Own Volume Panel Colors, and over here we have this Flex Volume UI, which uses this fancy rainbow color. There we go. This is how it looks like. We can use different lighting effects over here. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe this one over here. I like this one. We can also change the texture, so I'm gonna use the acrylic one. We have the control type, so you can switch from bar to knob. I'm gonna stick with bar actually. And there is also a shape, so I'm gonna use something maybe thinner, like this one over here. We can also go to theme category in here in order to create your own theme or use one of these presets, but I'm gonna stick with this Flex UI. So now if I use volume up or down, as you can see, this is how the volume panel looks like. And if I tap on these three dots, the additional panel over here also has updated. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.